won't be long tonight. It won't be long tonight. Okay, the volume is there. The volume is there. It's not anyone's network, but the volume is there. I think tikapinda mu 450. Tikapinda mu 450. Nezuro anditi taive kuma 800, almost 1k. Ngatipinde mu 450 and then we'll start the ball rolling. Masquera say, masquera say, masquera say, masquera say. Nezuro taive ku 8, tikapinda mu 450. Iri kutodzika number, iri kudzika. And they shades anai. Milka Mudzipurwa, Square say Milka, how are you? My B Maps, how are you? How are you? How are you? Tekla Kamba, how are you? Lee too, how are you? Kwai, all finish. What's the all finish for? Kerina, how are you? Pet Mamoyo, how are you? Taurai chip in the hip. Masquera say guys. Masquera say guys. How are you doing? Tetes Chayo, Auntie Selena is doing good. Any event deco, how are you? Cynthia Cooper, how are you? Sonia Smith, how are you? Keresenzia, how are you? How are you? Okay, guys. Kune load shedding, Auntie Selena Sakavamwe. Anoita ake load shedding hapana zvatingaita anozongoteerera chaachimunya. Magumbo wasquera sei magumbo. Masquera sei magumbo. Okay, let's get right into our program. The name is Auntie Selena. I am your presenter tonight. I think so many of you saw the title that was written, The Aftermath of Mo and Lolo Saga. Okay. It is with regret that it degenerated into something else yesterday. And we concluded we saw the other side of Lolo that we never saw. But at the same time, we also saw another side of you guys as the comment section that we really never knew. Nezvakaitika nezuro. It is very unfortunate kuti mamwe mashoko akataurwa nezvakataurika mu comment section, it was honestly vile. It was honestly very, very, very vile. Here is the thing, guys. Tirikuti, our platform is totally different from other platforms. We are trying to come together kuti tionesane, tidzidzisane. Even kana munhu atadza, tinoonesa munhu, atishaude, atituke. On Sunday we talked about the pause, to practice the pause. But yesterday yakapinda mudondo, practicing the pause. Mamwe ma comments akanyorwa apa, guys, kan ainyorerwa munhu asina hana chaiyo. We would be talking something else. Kukanganisika, we do admit. If Lolo did take Mari using the diary's name or not, up to now we still don't really know, although we know also. Pakakanganisika. Asimasoko akazobuda mukanwa mevazhinji through comment section were not nice at all. When you reprimand mwana, aumu reprimand nemashoko akashata. Just imagine if it were your child, wauno reprimanda uchiuza mashoko akayuzika pano. It's very unfortunate that it happened. However, I'm coming to you, my diaries, kuti please, takuchikumbira ceasefire on this issue on the diaries platform. We are now asking for ceasefire. We are kindly now asking you not to bring us any screenshots, not to bring us any stories that you find on my platforms, to my screenshots. Please, we kindly ask you not to be sending those to us. We are also wanting to announce that we are going to distance as diaries. We are going to distance as diaries admin. We have decided to distance ourselves from Lolo due to what happened. Also, as admin team, we are saying, if anyone comes to you seeking to borrow money on behalf of SIS MELLY's diaries, please note that we have nothing to do with it. If you give them money, you are giving them money on your own accord. Please. So we wish to distance ourselves from anyone, including the event yaLolo yakaitika, of borrowing money muzita remadiaries. And we wish to state that Lorraine won't be representing the diary's name at all. If anyone comes to you achiti arikubva kumadiary achisika rubatsiro, please get in touch with the admin team to verify and clarify first before you get into my deals with anyone arikuti arikuya on behalf of diaries. Saka, from today, please, as diaries, we are putting yaMoreboys and Lorraine's story to rest. Hatichataure nezvayo. Zvakapera nezuro. We do apologize to yaMoreboys on what happened, because izita redu rakashandisika. We sincerely do apologize. From SIS MELLY, the chairperson, myself, Cherry, and all you diaries, we sincerely apologize to yaMoreboys. Okay. Because of what happened on the live yesterday, chaos ne degeneration yatakaitika pa live yesterday, as the admin team, we met this afternoon. Because with this platform, as I said, our aim is kudzidzisana, kuvaka, nekukurudzirana kuyenda kumberi. So what we are saying as the admin team is, with immediate effect, it is with regret that we have come to this difficult decision that I am going to announce. It is with regret that we have suspended all live programs on SIS MELLY's diaries with immediate effect. This live is going to be the last live on SIS MELLY's diaries until we announce Taakutanga. So with immediate effect, as from today is the 16th of November 2021, it is with regret that I am announcing to you that we have decided as the admin team to suspend any live on SIS MELLY's Diaries platform so that we regroup, rethink, and we practice to pause. This platform is like no other platform that we know. Inounza dzidziso nekuda kubatana, but because of what happened last night, I'm sorry to say, guys, it is with regret to suspend my live essay. Tese SIS MELLY admin team yavo nemi tese takumbozvisa pasi peshamu so that tinodzoka tarefreshena mind yedu uye kuti tikupei mukana wekuti imiwo semadiaries munyatsofunga zvamunoda chaizvo. That is the reason why. So no more live until further notice. Having said that, the name is Auntie Selina, and the last live that we are going to have until further notice is now. And it's a very good night to you. Thank you.